lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Charmaine and I have another Tellin what I'm selling. Now if this is your first time stumbling on my channel and seeing this video and you're wondering what it is, I'm going to show you a way that you can make some easy cash. If you have anything lying around the house, whether it be old books, I don't know, paintings, shoes, what have you, put it up on Facebook Marketplace. It's really easy to create an ad and you can make a couple extra dollars. So in these videos, I'm gonna show you what I'm selling, the amount that I'm selling it for, where my ad was posted, why I'm selling it, and if I bought anything, I'll show you what I did with the money. So I had a customer contact me for an ad that I posted for some oval brushes. There's 7 of them here. A long time ago, I purchased an oval brush set for, I think it had 10 of them in there. I didn't really like them, and that's actually the reason that I'm selling. So I listed this at $10 and she's gonna come and pick them up. And they're brand new, like I never use them. They're still in their plastic, a little dusty because they've just been sitting on my counter. So my question to you is, would you have sold these brushes or would you have kept them? Let me know in the comments below. I don't have any plans to purchase the money. If it changes and I do pick something up, I'll definitely include it in this video, but for now, that's all I have to show you. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. Subscribe if you haven't already, and give me a thumbs up if you like my selling videos, and I'll see you soon, lovelies. Bye!